and into the headlines. I'm Al Ferguson, one of more than 50 reporters and anchors at the world's first and only live daily LGBTQ plus evening news show, nightly at 8 p.m. Eastern. Breaking news. Florida's Space Coast Pride cancels 2021 festival and parade because of COVID-19 Delta variant fourth wave. This breaking news is brought to you by Alive and Well Community Partners, one of South Florida's top HIV and health services providers. A shockwave is being felt today in Florida, and it began late last night among the LGBTQ plus community and pride organizations, as Brevard County's Space Coast Pride decided to cancel the September 25th festival and parade. The cancellation is linked to the emerging COVID-19 variant fourth wave, occurring as Florida now represents 20% of all new coronavirus cases in America, and this week had the highest number of new cases since the worldwide pandemic began in January of 2020. What was particularly disturbing is that vaccination rates have lagged dramatically from the optimism that was the case just 3 months ago. At Queer News Tonight, we have reported extensively on the plans to return to some normalcy for LGBTQ plus events like Miami Beach Pride, actually the week before Space Coast Pride, and major other fall events for Halloween, LGBTQ plus galas and fundraisers, Pride Fort Lauderdale, Orlando Pride, and more. Happening Out Television Network will follow this story closely. Space Coast Pride released an unsigned statement late last night saying, quote, "As we face a global pandemic, we must ensure LGBTQ plus safety. The Board of Directors of Space Coast Pride has made the difficult decision to cancel our 2021 festival out of caution in keeping the community safe from the ongoing pandemic. Please be safe and respect and support others as we all continue to face this world pandemic." End quote. The statement is not signed by an individual, but rather the Board of Directors. Just this week, Queer News Tonight has reported that vaccination rates for Florida's largest hospital, Miami's Jackson Memorial, has some healthcare professional departments that have a vaccination rate of just 25 out of every 100 staff. Most departments hover in 40 to 50% range and reflect dramatic resistance on vaccination, even among healthcare professionals. The results of Florida's response to vaccine is surprising, as Dr. Anthony Fauci and the CDC have clearly reported that the overwhelming consequences in the COVID-19 fourth wave of the Delta variant is dramatically showing that 95 to 99% of those contracting the virus are unvaccinated Floridians. The cancellation of Space Coast Pride is an ominous reminder of summer and fall 2020, when there were no vaccinations, so Florida's situation in this pandemic fourth wave is disturbing for the entire LGBTQ plus community. Alarms are now sounding on the effect this current wave could have over mask mandates, bars and restaurant restrictions, and our optimism of LGBTQ plus events this fall and winter. Continue to watch this space for updates. Already we can report that some social media responses focus on the organizational structure and planning failures at Space Coast Pride. Some suggest in social media the board is using COVID-19 as justification of the cancellation. However, Queer News Tonight does not have any information to suggest this may have played a role in their decision making. We encourage you to share this news to your LGBTQ plus friends and family. We hope you will like and follow the world's first and only daily live LGBTQ plus evening news. This is live breaking news from Queer News Tonight. LGBTQ plus news is vital for our community and for the broader world as a whole. We have enough enemies at Fox News. Tucker, Sean, and Laura are loud. We need passionate allies. Happening Out Television Network, Queer News Tonight, and It's Happening Out are literally out of the closet and into the headlines. Our community needs your support. Like this broadcast and subscribe now to ensure the growth of the entire LGBT